Good morning, class 8th. Welcome to the class. So, today we are going with our new chapter, and the chapter name is Extreme Weather. And this is the short summary of this chapter. So, let's start. Plants grow faster in moderate weather conditions. A rise in temperature increases the plant's growth rate, but to an extent, and if temperature goes on increasing, growth rate started filling and loss of water increases, which will result into the death of plants. Rise in temperature also difficult badly on seed germination. Cold also affected plants badly. If there is too much low temperature, the water in plant started freezing, result into the burst of plant cells. Bursting of plant cells cause plants in growing, wilt, and eventually death. Increased temperature will increase the rate of chemical reactions within the plant. This will mean the plant will need more oxygen, carbon dioxide, and water supply. Subsequently, if it is hot and subsequently dry, the plant will reduce water loss by closing stomate. Slowing normally process the work from to a limited extent to whereby sign of water loss such as wilting occur. These are some headings: hottest and coldest. The hottest and coldest part of the world are especially inhabited with technology developments such as satellite that use infrared scan and eco drone. Scientists have been able to add to existing ground data collection methods and venture further into these difficult to assess area of the earth that are too hot or too cold. In some places in India, that temperature can reach 50 degrees Celsius. At this temperature, people are at risk from heat, excretion, dehydration, and death. They want to sit in cool bath, but water warm up quickly and is usually scarce when temperature are this high. Drink ice drinks and stay in air conditioned building or rest in the shade. In July 1913, a temperature of 56.6 degrees Celsius set the record of the highest temperature ever recorded. This was the weather station in the place of Furnace Creek in Death Valley, USA. In 1922, ground-based instrument of EL Aziz Libya record a temperature of 58 degrees Celsius on September 13th. The highest temperature that day was partly due to winds from the south that blew in hot area from over the Sahara Desert. In 2005, in the Dasht-e-Lut Desert in Iran, scientists measured the highest surface temperature ever of 70.7 degrees Celsius. Life does not thrive in extreme temperatures. Nothing, not even bacteria, lives in the middle of the Dasht-e-Lut Desert. Dasht-e-Lut Desert picture. This is the picture of the Dasht-e-Lut Desert. And this is the second heading: driest and wettest. Some part of the world are famous for their wetlands, waterways, storm, snow, and rainfall, while other places are as well known for being dry, pressed, and prone to drought. The wettest and driest place on earth are fascinating for a number of reasons. Atacama Desert. This is the picture of Atacama Desert. The Atacama Desert is commonly known as the driest non-polar region of the world and may be the oldest desert on earth. The average rainfall is about 15 mm per year, although some locations receive 1/3 mm in a year. Some weather stations in the Atacama have never received rain. However, despite the Atacama's reputation for aridity, it is not the driest place on earth. The village of Masenram in Meghalaya, gets the title of wettest place on earth with nearly 12 of rain on average per year. This is the third heading, wizard weather. It is a stereotype of British people that they spend a lot of time talking about the weather. This might be because the temperature, rain, and wind can change day by day and hour by hour in the United Kingdom. Although temperature are not extreme and the four season of easily identified, the weather in the UK is unpredictable. It is likely to rain on 9 to 14 days in each month. It is perfectly possible to have a cold day in the middle of the summer and warm sunshine on a winter's days. This is third heading, raining fish. There have been reports of fish falling from the sky from various places around the world, including a number of places in India. In Honduras, they have a yearly Lluvia. This is a piece of fish rain celebration. In Singapore, on 22nd February 1861, fish appeared in puddles after a big rainfall. More recently, there have been reports of fish rain in Moose Jaw, Canada, Loreto in the Philippines, and in place in Tamil Nadu, Kerala, and Andhra Pradesh. In 2013, spare rained down on two in Brazil. In 2010, frog and toadas fell in Hungary. Twist. And perhaps most of the most bridges of all these, it is said that in Bath, England in 1894 it rained jellyfish. Thank you.